technology. Can you, for the layman in the room, explain the role of mitochondria as it relates to overall health? And then why does mitochondrial dysfunction lead to disease?
Sure. So mitochondria is, I think the most basic way to look at it is it's our source of energy. It does a lot more than that, but that really is one of the number one things. It also does affect the expression of various genes inside our body. But number one is we need it to survive in terms of energy.
Okay.
When you're not producing enough, you don't have enough energy and you don't regulate any of your body functions as well as they should be regulated. So maybe your heart's not beating the way it should be beating. Maybe your nervous system is getting the wrong signals. GI system, maybe it's not processing and digesting. Any number of things can be affected. Just depends on where the mitochondria are dysfunctional or if it's dysfunctional in the whole body, which in many cases I see at the clinic with people coming in where it's dysfunctional in their entire body. Wow. In terms of chronic conditions, variety of chronic conditions, whether it's a virus, pathogen that people have been exposed to of some sort, or it's cancer, I definitely see people getting a lot of symptoms of mitochondrial dysfunction, and where their mitochondria have likely decreased in number, and they're not producing the level of energy. They have large amounts of reactive oxygen species, inflammation in their system. And so that's kind of what I see.
Is it a truism that as we age, our cells produce less and less mitochondria without any kind of outside influence?
I would say that if we're basing that on research, I do think that's true. But I think with the caveat with that would be we can adjust the functionality of our body and make it more metabolically efficient and just overall enhance the functionality, enhance our ability to produce mitochondria, that maybe we're actually producing more than what we were prior. And I would argue that I'm definitely producing more now than what I was as a child.